Hi guys, this is banana barbecue. I'm going to show you how to cook this one, but first of all, it should be here. It should be banana is ripe, a very ripe banana. So, and then soak that one with warm water here. Then, after you're soaking to the warm water, but before you dip it here, you should boil first the cooking oil. Then after his boiling, then add brown sugar. Then not really a lot of cooking oil, just barely, and add a lot of sugar. I did not measure the sugar here, but I just estimate it. And then after that, if this is gonna be look like this, then that's done. Put it here. So maybe I'm gonna flip over this one. Yeah, it's already done here. So that's the way you're gonna cook barbecue. So don't add a lot of grease, cooking oil. It's not ready yet. So it won't swim your barbecue. And you slow the fire if you're cooking it, soaking to the hot. Call this one. That's ready. Now this is ready now. There. It won't take long because banana is already ripe, so you just dip it in a second, sir. Then it turn to brown, and it looks like I've got a lot of. I make a lot of sugar here. That. Wow. That's good. So, if you guys, if you have interested to cook like this, all you have to do is to buy a ripe banana, then dip in hot water, warm water, before you put into the frying pan with hot sugar and grease. So that's it. And then this is our snack for today. Again, thank you guys for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.